What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon, I'm the owner of Taco Vinyl. Today we're going to make a simple video on how to debadge your vehicle, and then we're going to be installing one of our decals to actually take its place. So let's go. Okay guys, you're going to need a heat gun so that we can apply some heat onto this, and then also some fishing line, preferably stronger kind, in which we will use to slide back and forth once the badge is heated to remove it. Once you get that heated up, you're going to kind of go back and forth with some fishing line, in which you'll go under and just move your way back and forth slowly. Now that we've used the fishing string to remove the badge, all we need to do is clean it up. So I'm just using my finger to roll off some of the bigger chunks, so that way I can use some solvent and get off all the rest of the goo. Okay guys, before we completely remove all the residue from the SR5, I'm actually going to add a strip of tape that will run from the top down into this section, purely because we're going to be adding a decal right here, and we want it to line up with the S on this side, and then on the other side we'll do the same thing to make sure that they're aligned and are equal on both sides. Now that we got the badge completely removed, what I like to use is a polisher. We got Rupee's DA Fine, just to clean up the area, get rid of any residue that may be left in the area before we install our decal. Okay guys, now that we got this all buffed off and polished, now we're going to be adding a decal in this area. We've already cleaned it with some glass cleaner, so I'm just going to add a little bit of alcohol to this rag, get all the imperfections or the residues, oils off before we apply our decal. To replace the lame SR5 badge, what we're going to be using is our Toyota multicam decals to fill in that space and add a huge amount of style and character to your rig. To ensure that we are placing the badge or the decal in the exact same position on the other side, we make a few measurements. For this, I go off this height right here, come down an inch, and come in 3 to 2 7/8 inches in, so we can apply our decal. The way you want to orientate these is the 3 stripes on the back want to be toward the rear of the vehicle. Okay, let's go ahead and line these up. Okay, once you get a position where you feel like it's pretty level, you can make a few measurements, make sure that it is level before you place it on the vehicle. Once you're ready to go, you run right up the middle of the entire decal, and then you're going to want to push out. Okay, so what you're going to want to use is one of these vinyl applying tools. It comes with a hard surface with sometimes just something that glides really easy. So then once you go across the center, you're going to use it, and you're going to push out on the decal, away from the center. What this will do is get rid of all the unwanted bubbles. Once the decal has been compressed, okay guys, we're all finished up. We got the SR5 badge completely removed, polished up, cleaned up the area for the decal, applied the decal, and I have to say it came out super clean. Great addition to the 4Runner. Thank you for watching this video guys. If you'd like this video, subscribe, support the channel, we appreciate it. Have a good one.